Salmon is often celebrated as one of the healthiest foods on the planet, packed with nutrients that provide numerous health benefits. But what happens if you eat salmon every day? While moderation is typically key in any diet, daily consumption of this nutrient-rich fish can lead to both positive and potential negative effects on the body. Here's what you need to know. 1. Improved heart health. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Consuming salmon daily can support cardiovascular health by improving cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 2. Enhance brain function and mental health. Omega-3 fatty acids are also crucial for brain function. Eating salmon regularly can help improve memory and cognition and even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Additionally, the high levels of DHA in salmon contribute to mental well-being and can lower the risk of depression and anxiety. 3. Stronger bones and joints. Salmon is rich in vitamin D, which is essential for bone health. It also contains anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce symptoms of arthritis and improve joint health. Eating salmon daily can help maintain bone density and lower the risk of osteoporosis. 4. Better skin and hair health. The omega-3s and antioxidants in salmon, particularly astaxanthin, promote healthy skin by reducing inflammation, hydrating the skin, and preventing premature aging. These nutrients also contribute to stronger, shinier hair. 5. Supports weight management. Salmon is high in protein, which helps keep you full for longer and supports muscle maintenance and metabolism. Including salmon in a balanced diet can aid in weight management and help reduce unhealthy cravings. 6. Boosted immune system. The combination of vitamin D, selenium, and omega-3s in salmon helps strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections and illnesses. How to eat salmon safely every day. Opting for wild-caught salmon generally has fewer contaminants than farmed salmon. Varying your preparation methods, such as grilling, baking, or steaming, can keep it healthy while avoiding excessive added fats. Pairing salmon with a balanced diet that includes plenty of vegetables, whole grains, and other protein sources ensures a well-rounded intake of nutrients. Watching portion sizes, with a recommended serving of about 3 to 4 ounces, can help avoid excessive intake of any one nutrient. Eating salmon every day can provide a wealth of health benefits, from improved heart health to enhanced brain function and better skin. However, it's important to be mindful of potential risks, such as mercury exposure and nutrient imbalances. By choosing high-quality salmon and maintaining dietary variety, you can enjoy the benefits of this superfood while keeping your overall health in check.